Hello dear students, welcome to Easy Learning Classes. In previous video we have discussed about matter and states of matter and arrangement of molecules in solid, liquid and gases. But in this video we will talk about properties of matter in different states. That is, we will talk about properties of solids, properties of liquids and properties of gas. So now we will start first properties of solids. These are some examples of solids like ice, cheese, bricks, wood, watch, diamond and glass, etc. First property of solid is solids have definite shape and definite volume. Why they have definite shape? As we know that the molecules of solids are tightly packed and they cannot move freely. There is very less space between the molecules of solid. Therefore they have definite shape. Solids like coin and wooden block, they do not change their shape. But solid like rubber and elastic, they can change their shape, but we have to apply external force. If we will remove the external force, they will gain their original shape again. Now the second thing, why solid have definite volume. So if we will put wooden blocks in a box or on the table, it will take up the same amount of space no matter where we are putting it. Therefore we can say that the solid have a definite volume. Second property of solid is solids are incompressible. That means when we will try to press it, we won't be able to do it. Suppose if you are taking some ball in a bottle and you will try to press it, will you be able to do it? No. Solid is like that only, because its molecules or its particles are very closely packed. We cannot press it, so it will not contract or expand. But when we will heat it, it will expand a little. But when we will cool it, it will contract a little, but not very much extent. That's why they are incompressible. Now we will move on to the third property of solid, that is solid have a high density. So what is density? Density of a substance is the amount of matter per unit volume. We know that in solids the number of molecules is more, so the amount of molecule per unit volume will be more. Therefore they have high density. Now fourth property of solid, solids do not diffuse. What is diffusion? That things come in mind. So diffusion is the movement of particles from one position to the another position. In case of solid, we know that the intermolecular force between the molecule is very high. Therefore, they do not leave their fixed position to move away from one another. Therefore, we can say that solids do not diffuse. This is what about solid. But when we will move to the properties of liquids, we will see that liquids do not have definite shape but have definite volume. In a liquid, the molecules are close together. Still, they are free to move around and slide. Why? Because there is little space between the molecules of liquids. Hence, liquid do not have definite shape. They take the shape of the containers. Like if you will put it in a bottle, it will take the shape of bottle. If you will put it in a jug, it will take the shape of the jug. However, liquids take up a definite amount of space in a container and hence have a definite volume. If you will put 100 ml of water in a glass or in a plate or in a mug, it will be 100 ml only. So we are saying that the liquids have definite volume. Next property of liquid is liquids have a tendency to flow. We know this that the intermolecular space between the molecules of liquid is very less, but it is still there. So the molecules of liquid are able to slide over one another. Therefore, what happens is they have the flowing capacity, they have the fluidity, because the molecules can slide over one another. Therefore, liquid have a tendency to flow. Now move on to the third property of liquid. Liquid cannot be compressed much. We have seen in solid that solids cannot be compressed at all. But in liquid we can compress it a little bit. Why? Because there is space between the molecules of liquid, so we can compress it to a small extent only. Now move on to the fourth property of liquid. Liquids have less density as compared to solids. We know that liquids have more intermolecular space as compared to solid. Therefore, they have less density as compared to solid. Now, if we'll go to the fifth property of liquid, liquids can diffuse. We know in liquid the intermolecular force of attraction is weaker than that in solid. So the particles in liquid can diffuse and can mix with another liquid. For example, if you drop a little bit of ink into a beaker of water, the ink will spread slowly through the water and it will mix in that. So we are saying that the liquid has tendency to diffuse. After talking all this, now let's see the property of gas. It is bit different. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Why? Because the intermolecular space in gas is maximum and there is negligible or almost no intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules. Therefore, molecules are freely move all around in a closed container and fill the entire space irrespective of its shape or size. The gases take the shape and the volume of container they occupy. Now see second property of gas. Gases have maximum fluidity or capacity to flow. Since the molecules of gases move about freely because they have lots of space between the molecules. Therefore, they can flow easily. They can move from one place to another and they diffuse. They have maximum diffusion capacity. Now, last property of gas is gases are highly compressible. Since there is a lot of empty space between the molecule of gas, they can be easily compressed into a smaller containers. We have lots of examples. You must have heard about LPG, CNG. LPG is liquefied petroleum gas and CNG is compressed natural gas. They are compressed and put inside relatively small cylinder for our use. This is all about the properties of matter in different state. I hope that you must have liked my video or you must have understand. If you have any doubt, please you can ask me in a comment box. Please like, share and subscribe my video. I'll keep on updating my videos. See you guys. Bye bye.